11 a.m. and we are rolling from camp, headed to opening day of Tyson Wells. Woohoo!
Today is a good day to live.
Okay, sun is just now coming up and we have arrived. One of the reasons that we get here so early is because parking is so tight. I'm right on the line and Frugal is here and she's back there at her door. One reason we park like this and get here early, hoping to get these sites, is so that she can at least get in and out of the camper, because she has to have her steps to do that. I can't use my steps, but that's okay. I can go in and out of my driver door. Bandit has his coat on this morning. He's all prissy prancy. He says, I like it. I'm warm and it's cool weather. And here we are. There's Jonesy's tent or booth. Here's mine. And we will start getting set up. Here's behind the scenes back scene. Bandit is all set up so we can start getting set up. How you doing, buddy? Bando, are you ignoring Mama? He hates the camera. All right, Bando, it's time to get into the booth. You ready? So Joan, Fabulous Dots, is over there getting set up.
I am.
Yeah, good morning, Joan.
Good morning.
And Jana and I are having brekkie. It is day one, opening day, and we are ready for business. Come see us, everybody. Tyson Wells, Row J, booth 22 at the Sell-A-Rama. This is Marie St. Pierre, verdad? Right? Yes. Okay. And what is your dog's name?
Teddy.
Teddy. Hi, Teddy. She drove here from Denver and is camping with Sisters on the Fly, which is an awesome group. And it's your first time to Quartzsite?
It is.
Yeah.
I really like the weather here. It's very cold back in Denver right now.
Yes, I bet it is. And y'all are getting ready to do a cast iron cook-off, right?
Yes.
I mean, oh yeah, say it again, Jana.
Dutch oven cook. Yes, and I'm excited about that. All the good food.
That's wonderful. Well, so glad you're here and came by to say hi.
Thank you. I'm so glad to meet you.
This is Stan, and he bought my KOKO trilogy and brought Nomad for me to sign. And you are here from Florida?
Yes, I am.
Awesomeness, and you're camped out there by Travels with Dottie?
Yep, right next to him.
Super duper. Thank you for coming by today.
No problem.
Frugal, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So I just wanted you guys, I think people don't understand that everything that you see and everything that we put up, yeah, except you, that's true, or Sammy if she was here, or your chair, but everything else that you see and that we put up goes back in my rig when we are done. So I have to make room for all of this. And I think people sometimes don't understand that what a miracle it is that we pull off to carry all of this. Now there's 2 tables in the tent that have been loaned to us, but otherwise all of this goes right back in my rig when we are done and I travel with it. Maybe I'll show you that process. Is anybody interested in seeing that? Jana says, I'm interested in somebody else doing it. So Jana just went and got the directory from the office, and you guys look at page 26. There's my ad. How cool is that? It turned out pretty good, I think.
And really good that it's on the food vendors.
I know, and we're right across
food.
from the food, so y'all come see me. But isn't that too cool? Thanks for picking that up. This is Linda Love, and she had KOKO tattooed, and I just love that. I saw her at the RTR after I talked but I didn't have my phone with me, and I have been almost, I did actually tear up. I was like, I can't believe I didn't get to get a clip of that.
And now we have it.
And now you have it. And thank you so much for coming by the booth.
You're welcome.
Oh, just made my day. This is Wilford, Linda's husband. Yes. And who are these babies?
This is Buster Brown.
Oh my goodness.
And this is Susie Q.
Susie Q.
Yes.
And you had a pup named Buster Brown.
Yeah, this is the best dog in town.
He's the best dog ever.
Until I got Sammy.
That's best.
This is Carrie, and she bought my book, How Being a Nomad Saved My Life, and you were at the RTR when I spoke.
Yes, absolutely.
That's so awesome, and I'm glad you came by to say hi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're such an inspiration.
Thank you. And this is your first year in Quartzsite, right?
Yes, it is.
Wonderful. What state are you from?
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. And you're having a good time?
Oh, I'm loving it. They have the Arctic cold there, and we're here in short sleeves, so.
I know, right? In the sunshine? You had to come out before it gets too hot.
Exactly.
It's a concept, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
But thank you again.
Thank you.
This is Surfing Dodo. Last year, y'all remember, she made us the flies and brought them to us, and we fished with them all summer, and you just brought us some more and some other goodies.
I
So
brought
good.
some bigger ones, so hopefully you'll have really good luck with the bigger ones.
Yeah, we're gonna catch the big fish this year.
Tight lines.
Tight lines, that's it. And thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And a shout out to your granddaughter, Kiva.
Oh, thank you.
You bet. All right, everybody, this is Eric and Arnold. They stopped by, and they are camped out by Travels with Dottie. Thank y'all so much for coming by today. Good to see you. What state are y'all from?
California.
Awesomeness. Good to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
This is Nomad Dar and his pup Polly. She is blind, but she is so sweet. And you have been on the road for how many months?
3 months.
3 months. And are you enjoying Quartzsite?
Yes, I am.
That is so
Very much
wonderful. And he just bought my book, How Being a Nomad Saved My Life. I look forward to staying in touch.
Okay, good deal. Yeah.
Oh, Frugal is talking to Surfing Dodo, and she just got back with lunch. Can't wait to see what she has. What did you make today? I know, how awesome, right?
Yeah. You gonna follow me all the way around?
I am. What?
I brought chicken salad sandwiches, but I decided to grill them,
Ooh.
and some homemade guacamole.
Oh my goodness, sounds so good. Surfing Dodo also gave us, she gave me a cookie because she says, I'm one tough cookie. And she gave you what?
Chips.
Because?
Because I'm all that in a bag of chips.
Yes, you are. This is Cheryl. And Cheryl, what state are you from?
California.
California. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, everybody. This is Dale. He came back this year to get Dominion, which is my new book out this year. And last year, he bought first the one bundle, then he came back and bought the next bundle. And it's so good to see you. Remind everybody what state you're from.
I'm from Florida.
From Florida.
This is a great book. This is a great series, and it's a great author and a great person.
So sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cece came and relieved Jana for lunch while she went and made our sandwiches. Thank you, Cece.
So much fun.
It was awesome. And Suzanne just drove in from Denver, and she will be here to help out on Monday. And anyway, y'all give my friends some love. Come on down to my booth now. I think that sounds like a song, Bobby. What do you think? Everybody, this is my friend Bobby, and she has come here to Tyson Wells because she has finally wrapped up the WRTR and RTR.
We have?
Deb
was on stage for us and sharing parts of her life. She's really quite a miracle. Come check out some of her books. She's really an inspiration to us nomads.
Oh, thank you so much. I just love you. And Lester, thank you. And can I show them your pup?
Oh, here.
His pup got lost in the desert for 5 days and came out from under some bushes when some ATVs drove by. And he was how far from camp?
2 miles.
Isn't that insane? You are a miracle,
We
baby.
had lots and lots of folks looking for
Yeah.
him. Yeah, he found his way back to humans. So
You are a miracle, baby. Thank y'all both so much for coming by. Hey, this is Paul. Paul, what state are you from?
Arizona.
Arizona. Yep. And he is getting ready to retire and go full time. And so it's a pleasure to meet you. And you're just going to love it. You're going to love it.
It's great to meet you. I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you. He was
Yep.
telling us some of his bucket list items, you guys, and he's going to rock this travel nomad lifestyle, I can tell you.
Well, I hope so.
Their t-shirts say, "Wait, I see a rock." You guys are so awesome, Vicki and Brian.
Yeah.
And what state are you from?
Confusion.
That's my state. Pick another one.
California.
California.
It's the same, isn't it?
It's the same. That's so awesome. Thank y'all for being here today.
All right, we appreciate you.
All right, everybody, the Camper Tales is in the house. Tiff and Lauren. And Lauren did almost the impossible today. What did you do?
I almost snuck up on you.
You did. I was like, oh my gosh, nobody ever gets to sneak up on me.
I was
But
gonna
you
give you a sneak hug.
Yeah, you almost pulled it off. And so you guys are in town today, and you said you came by to see me.
Just to come see you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
We
That's
have to
so
come
sweet.
by her books.
Yeah, thank you. Y'all have all of them.
All of them, I think, yeah.
You do. And so if you guys don't know Tiff and Lauren, check out the Camper Tales on all social media. Tiff just put up a new YouTube video here recently.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was fun to see. Boom. Hey, everybody. Some YouTuber I am. We closed up for the day. Day one, opening day was a great day. It was so good to see all of the people that I met and see friends come by. I was wiped by the end of the day. I didn't even get photos or clips of us closing up the booth or anything. And then I-10 is backed up. I mean, for like the last more than an hour, like 2 hours probably that I know of. It's bumper to bumper, stop and go for as far as you can see either way. And so a lot of people are trying to cut through Quartzsite. I guess they don't know that it's the busiest time in Quartzsite. There's only one road. So anyway, traffic was atrocious. And I was supposed to go get gas, and I forgot. And so I just talked with Jana, and she's like, you turned right, you were supposed to turn left, or you're not getting gas. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot, but no, I can't do this traffic. So I'm headed home to the North 40. That's what we call it, our campsite. It was a great day, and I hope that you had a great day, and I will be up and ready for day 2 tomorrow. All right, everybody, keep on keeping on, no matter what, one day at a time.